5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action!
Hello everyone, I'm Sienna. Thank you everybody for coming to RGBlink new product launch event. Today, we're excited to introduce Mini upgrade version, Mini Plus. Compared to Mini, Mini Plus has added chroma key feature, which means you can conveniently use it to build a virtual studio in any way you like. Do you want to know more about this new amazing feature? Mini Plus supports 4 external signals, multi-camera seamless, and USB 3.0 streaming as well. Live streaming can never be this easy. Well, I'd like our audience to know our logo. Can I just add one logo here?
Apply overlay logo feature by Mini Plus. Build your brand and live studio by your own.
Wow, that's so cool. Thank you. I'm so excited that you are joining me today for a very new RGBlink shopping live streaming event. Alright guys, let's check this out.
Multi-camera control and switch can easily done by your own.